Hi, my name's Tim Seckler. I am an estate planning and elder law attorney in Mars, Pennsylvania, and we do work kind of all across the Pittsburgh region. I wanted to do a video this morning for my clients, for friends, family, and just sort of the community at large, give you my thoughts on, from an estate planning, from a legal standpoint, what should we be thinking about given what's going on out there in the world. I'm making this video mid-March. We just went through this sort of chaotic week where everything shut down. The schools are now closed. There's been long lines at the grocery store. People are obviously concerned about the coronavirus. And I don't want to be an alarmist. I'm of the school of thought that hopefully in a couple of weeks, life kind of goes back to normal. But another thing that is occurring is my office is getting a lot of phone calls from people that want to update their estate planning documents. They want new wills, they want the powers of attorney and the healthcare directives. And I get it. And I think that it's smart to be thinking about that stuff right now. And again, not trying to be an alarmist. I'm not trying to say you need a will because this thing is terrible and we're all going to go through terrible events. However, given the closures, given the restrictions around sort of the globe right now on people's ability to get out and do the things they need to do, we should be, in particular, thinking about incapacity documents. So I'll give you a couple of examples. We need to be doing a financial power of attorney. If you don't have a financial power of attorney, you really should consider doing one, especially like if you get sick and you're not supposed to leave your house. Who's going to deal at the bank? Who's going to be able to deal with your financial institution? Who's going to make legal decisions on your behalf if you can't get out? And yes, you can do certain things over the phone, but not everything. And if you end up in a hospital, if you end up in a nursing home, if we end up sick, we need to do incapacity documents. A second one is the healthcare directive, which names somebody to make healthcare decisions on your behalf in the event you can't communicate. So it's a two-part document. The first part is we're saying who can make the healthcare decisions, and the second part is what are they allowed to do, what are they supposed to do. And then, of course, yes, you need to do your will. A couple of key things to be thinking about is our senior family members. I've got clients right now who are not allowed to go into the nursing home to see their parents. Do they have the proper documents in place to make sure that we can talk to the doctors? How does the doctor know they're talking to the right kid? How does the doctor know that we're following mom's instructions, etc. Another one that is kind of overlooked is if you have college-aged kids, so 19-year-olds, 20-year-old kids, these are adults as far as the state is concerned. What happens if they go sort of under quarantine? Who's going to make the financial decisions? Who's going to go to the bank on their behalf? If they end up in the hospital, you're their parent, yes, but they're an adult. So we can get into sticky situations with the hospital's willingness to release information to you. And so, look, right now we're kind of at this point where kids are home from school. This is an awesome time to get these documents done. Now, we have, at the law firm, we're kind of rethinking how we are doing some of our work because I'm trying to protect my staff, my team, and also you. So we're not doing as many face-to-face meetings. One of the things that I'm sort of committed to is to provide some education videos on the different documents so that maybe we can eliminate a meeting from the process. The second thing is we have the capability to do online meetings via Zoom. So you can get a lot of benefit there without having to come to the office. And given the volume of the phone calls we've had right now, we do have the production capability to get a bunch of people's documents done. We're just kind of having to think about how are we conducting these meetings, how much time are we allocating to the meetings. But we are wanting to help you. We get it. We understand you want these documents. So what you can do is give me a call, 724-841-1393. Check out our website, secklerlawfirm.com, SECHLER lawfirm.com, or drop us an email at info@secklerlawfirm and just put in the subject line, I need to get my documents done. One of my team members will reach back out to you. Go ahead and throw your phone number in there. And we'll reach out to you. We'll get the information we need to prepare the good documents. You will have to come in at least once to sign because a lot of the documents need to be witnessed. They need to be notarized. But we can eliminate it from like a 3 to 4 meeting process to providing the information electronically and just having that signing meeting. So give us a shout, 724-841-1393. We know you need to get the documents done. Now's a good time for a lot of people actually because you're off work. Bring the kiddos in if you need to. Let's get the work done together. 724-841-1393.